This is Bernie Krzys here in Charleston, South Carolina. We're at a regional meeting of the WF here for the low country area of South Carolina. And we're also observing today a pilot water distribution project using aqua pipe produced by Senexon. And there's a lot going on here in Charleston, South Carolina regarding their water systems. And with me today are Andy Ferry, Chief Operating Officer with the Charleston Water Systems. Andy, thank you for being here.
Certainly, we appreciate y'all being here.
And also Mark Klein, who's the Capital Projects Officer.
Thanks, Bernie. Appreciate you being
Charleston
here.
Water Systems. And Bill Young.
That's right.
With George and Jones and Goulding, the office manager here for his firm. So let's go back to Andy. Andy, what are some of the plans in the coming year for water systems here in Charleston?
Well, Bernie, we have an active asset management program, and we are constantly looking at which of our water pipes need to be replaced. And so what we're doing here today is simply looking at this technology to see how it would fit in our, if you want to call it a toolbox of technologies that help us replace infrastructure.
Okay. And Mark, how does this fit in with the capital projects program?
Well, Bernie, as Andy said, we're constantly evaluating the condition of assets in the ground, and our capital improvements program includes funds for rehab and rehabilitation of water mains and sewer mains, and we're looking at this technology as another tool to have in our toolbox when it comes to replacing water lines, especially in sensitive areas or areas where we feel like it's more advantageous to go trenchless than to dig.
Okay. And Bill, I know you're working closely with the Charleston Water Systems.
That's correct.
And I'm about ready to run out of space for my camera, my microphone rather, so we'll edit this out. So give me a feel for what JJ&G is doing as part of this whole process.
Well, we have a number of pipeline rehabilitation specialists in our firm, and we work very closely with a lot of our clients like Charleston Water Systems in evaluating new products that are on the market. And you know, we're looking for, as Mark said, applications downtown in the peninsula area where you know, we see a lot of opportunity for products like Senexon's aqua pipe.
Okay.
And you know, we're happy to work with our clients and evaluate those.
So Andy, I got to ask you, is this a typical fall day here in Charleston? This is great weather for this project.
Absolutely. This is like this all the time in Charleston.
Asset management is a very popular item nowadays in water distribution as well as sewage systems. You do have an active asset management program, obviously.
Yes, we do. We have a full inventory of all of our underground infrastructure for our waste treatment plants and water treatment plants, and so we actively manage that. We have the water distribution department has an algorithm they use to determine which pipes need to be replaced and when. And that, along with coupon testing, gives us information as to, you know, where to best spend the limited resources that we have.
Okay. Now, Mark, I want to ask you a question about support. Do you feel you have a good support from the population regarding the cost of water and what it takes to maintain your water systems?
We believe we do, Bernie. Our customer base recognizes the need for Charleston Water System to maintain the infrastructure to provide reliable, high-quality service, and I think they appreciate that.
Okay. Bill, do you have any final comments before we close for this afternoon's conversation?
Well, we appreciate the opportunity to be out here and evaluate this product and do a demonstration today, and you know, we look forward to reviewing the report with Charleston Water Systems.
Gentlemen, thank you for your attention today, and thanks you for supporting this project, this pilot project idea.
Thank you, Bernie.
Thank you.